What's up, Diecast gang? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy KG, back in the workshop studio. Hope all you guys having a blessed day. Feeling pretty good myself, guys. The runner-up for the giveaway did not show up, guys. So here we are once again, 1,000 subscriber giveaway part 2 of 3. Can't believe I'm having to restart this all over again, guys. But unfortunately, that's the way it is. I wanted to keep this giveaway 100% fair. I decided from the beginning I wanted to do a 3-part giveaway for my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So here we are. I'm gonna go over the rules for you guys. All you guys that entered my part 2 or 3 giveaway, I'm restarting it all over again, guys. So I really apologize, but if you want to re-enter, please feel free to re-enter. And the reason I'm doing it, the reason I'm starting it all over is because I want to keep it fair. The winner of the round 2 did not show up. Neither did the runner-up that I had down for the runner-up didn't show up. I could have kept going down the list for the next runner-up and the next runner-up, but it was just crazy, guys. It was a big gap in between when I came back and announced the runner-up. So I just want to refresh and restart it all over again. I should be starting part 3 right now and ending it off, but here we are back at part 2. I am going to go over the items once again for you guys. I'm not going to add anything. I'm going to keep it the same as I got it, to keep it fair. Shout out to Johnny Coolness, who already won, all the way from South Korea, guys. This guy from South Korea, he messaged me on all platforms. He messaged me on Facebook, Instagram, and he sent me an email to claim the prize, guys. I'm only asking that you message me on one platform. If you feel like messaging me out all 3, that's cool too, but guys, please pay attention. I mean, I can't stress that enough. Like, if you get involved in this giveaway, please, by all means, pay attention to the dates. Do yourself a favor. If you subscribe, there's a little bell over the subscribe button. Hit that bell and turn your post notifications to all. Initially, they'll probably be on personalized, so if you turn it to all, you will get an email every time I drop a video, let you know KG_diorama, Diecast and Diorama, sorry, just dropped a video. So do yourself that favor, hit that bell, and turn on all post notifications if you enter this giveaway. Right now, let's just get right to it, guys. I'm going to show you the paper, the list. You might want to screenshot it and save it and keep the dates, guys. Let's get it. Alright, guys. Here we are once again. Part 2 of 3. 1,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway. So let's just read this list down real fast. Like I said, pay attention to the dates. This is 1,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway part 2 of 3. It's starting today, which is Monday, December 11th. It's going to end Sunday, the 17th of December. I should have put December. I wrote it down. But this is December. Sunday, December 17th at midnight Central Time. That's when the giveaway ends. That's when your chances to enter. It will be over with, guys. But But as always, you must be subscribed to enter. Just simply comment, I would like to enter the giveaway down in the comment section of this video, guys. The drawing will be held Monday, December 18th, live on Facebook, 11 o'clock Central. Now, this is debatable, guys. I'm thinking about trying YouTube Live. I'm not sure if they'll let me do it yet. I haven't tried it since I've been at 1,000 subscribers, guys. So I'm gonna attempt to go live on YouTube December the 18th to do the drawing at 11 o'clock Central Time. If I can't do it and it's not successful, then I'm gonna jump over to Facebook, guys. So you don't have to be at the live on Facebook to claim the prize, but you do have to message me. I will announce the winner on YouTube Tuesday, December 19th. This is an important date. Tuesday, December 19th, I will announce the winner. The following day, which is December the 20th, the clock will start ticking, and you will have 48 hours to contact me. Anybody subscribed, including overseas viewers, can enter this giveaway. Winner will have 48 hours. Again, winner will have 48 hours to contact me via Facebook, Instagram, or email. And you have to message me after I announce the winner on YouTube. Good luck to everybody. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Like I said, you might want to take a screenshot of this list. If not, remember the dates. The most important date is probably the 19th. Look for a YouTube video on December 19th. I will be announcing the winner on YouTube sometime within the day. Last time I dropped a YouTube video, it dropped kind of late, around 7 or 8 o'clock at night in the PM. But winner still had a whole 2 days to message me. So I'm going to try to drop it earlier in the day, around between 12 and 3. But yeah, that's about it, guys. That's about it. Get that out the way, guys. I got a few cards on the table. But before I get to, I'm going to do a wheel swap with you guys. You know, something to kind of inspire the moment. But before I get to the wheel swap, I want to go over the giveaway items one more time for you guys, so you guys can see what items that's up for giveaway and what you can win. Let's get it. Alrighty, guys, here we go. These are the items that are still available and up for giveaway. You have 2 sets of items to choose from. Here on the left side, we have still the Jeep 2020 Jeep Gladiator from Fast and Furious. And down below, we have the Brian's Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 34. Look real nice in the box. Also, I have 4 Hot Wheels. I don't know which case they're from. They're probably all from different cases, but I have 2 Corvettes, a custom Ford Maverick, and a Chevy Camaro. That's actually a treasure hunt. So that's going to be included with the 2 Fast and Furious cars as a set. And over here on the right, we have a 1/24th scale, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 1971 Chevy C10 in this dusty form, but brand new in the box. Also, we have run an 18 scale Pagani Hydra, if I'm pronouncing that right, by Motormax. Somewhat of I've had this one for quite some time, guys. I used to own 2 of these same exact cars because I made a mistake and double ordered them a long while back, years and years ago. But it's been in the giveaway for quite some time. I also want to throw in, excuse me, this Nissan 5-pack. Thought it was a pretty neat, nice, decent 5-pack. So there you have it, guys. You have these 2 items to choose from. Like I said, get down in the comments. Simply comment, I would like to enter this giveaway, and I will comment back to you, letting you know that you're in the giveaway. It's that simple, guys. I wish the best of luck to anybody that enters. Like I said before, please pay attention to the dates. I really want to get rid of this stuff and get it over and done with, guys. Instead of just dragging it on how we've been dragging it on for quite some time now. So I encourage anybody to enter, but please, by all means, pay attention, guys. So we're going to get on to the next little thing, guys. I want to do a quick wheel swap for you guys. A car-to-car wheel swap. Let's get right into it. Alrighty, gang. Got a couple cars on the table. All this week, I'm going to be probably doing a few more wheel swaps, guys. Got a lot of wheel swaps in mind that I would like to do. I'm just going to start knocking them out, you know, one at a time. When we doing the swap, I'm swapping the wheels from one car to the other. So this one should be pretty simple. This one is kind of inspiring. The giveaway car. Here's my Skyline BNR 34. Mine's car. And I got 2 right-hand drive cars, guys. 2 kind of Euro spec. I have this one, Brian's car from Fast and Furious, and also this Honda NSX-R. NSX. This is from the Green Ranger, Power Rangers. I actually have the Ranger, but yeah. I actually want to swap these 2 cars, guys. But also, I want to strip the Power Rangers car, guys, and get rid of the graphics. I've seen other people on my Facebook group customize this car, and I thought it looked pretty good after the customization. So what I want to redo is remove all of the graphics, the white around the bottom. Underneath it is all green. Remove the gold off the hood. Pretty much gonna be an all green car. And I could remove the black from the roof, but I think I'm gonna leave it though. I think I'm gonna leave it black for now. Just to see how it looks, because I don't want it to be just too much green. So I'm gonna be using my acetone as usual, guys. If you haven't seen my last video, simply use acetone. Look at all this dog hair. Now see the dog. Look at this. It's nothing but dog hair. That's because my bottle was on the floor. Let's get rid of some of that. My dog shit. So yeah, I just gave her a bath, but she's in her like one of her worst shedding seasons. But here we are, acetone. I'm gonna take some cotton swabs. I'm gonna stop the video right now, grab you some cotton swabs, some Q-tips, and get to work on removing this graphic. Alrighty guys, grab me some cotton balls, and I got some Q-tips in there. And I'm gonna start by taking the car apart. Taking it apart, guys. Shout out to one of the subscribers who commented that he liked to take the cars apart when he stripped them, which is actually a good idea. I got my flat mat base. So all you guys know that just unscrew the screws, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, 2 in the middle. Finish unscrew it, take the base off of it so the wheels will come off and I'll have easier access to get this base off and clean real good around it. So let me get it off. Alright guys, I got the car apart, got the wheels off, seats out. I'm just gonna start by, I already doused the cotton swab, some acetone, and I'm just gonna start by giving it a little rub. As you can see already. Just like that already, we removing that gold. It's just like fingernail polish removal, guys. That's what basically acetone is. If you guys read the bottle of fingernail polish removal does have acetone in it. So a lot of people use fingernail polish instead. Just wanted to give you guys a little example to show you how it comes off. I'm gonna stop the video and continue to take this livery off. I'm gonna also take the white off around the bottom, and then show you guys how it looks at the end. Alrighty guys, there we are. All cleaned up. Got the graphics off. Got it all green. Little parts came off of the bumper and the back and the front. But overall guys, I think it looks much, much better. All cleaned up. I also got the base and the wheels off the 2 cars. Now I'm going to proceed to the next step, which is getting the wheels off. And now you guys know I use my heating tool. Fire it up. With the heating tool that I use, I recommend put the heat tool on the rod. It's getting warm now. Set it kind of close as you can to one side of the tire without touching the plastic because it gets really hot. But you essentially just want to heat that rod. I usually leave it on there for about 45 to 50 seconds counting. And then get a wheel, a little slight turn and pull. If it don't come off with ease, then I go back to applying more heat. But this is my typical way of taking the wheels off. So I'm gonna get to taking the wheels off. They used to be on the NSX. And the wheels off the Skyline. Let's get it. Alrighty guys, I got the wheels off. As you can see, here you go. The other wheels off the other car. Now guys, all we gotta do is pretty much put everything back together, guys. kind of share experience with you a little bit because sometimes it don't go as smooth as planned. I took the rods all the way off because the rods on the NXX was kind of longer than the other rods that was on the see if you put them next to each other. See, a lot of times the rods are different lengths, so took them all the way off. That way, hopefully, they'll go right back on to the next car with no issues. And I only got one hand. I usually use my pliers to hold the rod while I put one wheel on. I got it on there. I was really concerned about the NSX because it's kind of tight in between where the tire goes. Try to get it in there. That's surprising. We got a little room. If push come to a shove, I can just come back and cut out the sides where it meets the wall. Trying to do this for one hand, guys. That's not a good idea. Let me actually turn the camera off. Try to get these wheels on. Then I'm gonna show you guys how it look in the end. Alrighty, guys. Here we are. The final results. Both cars done. I really liking the NXX. As you can see, I left a couple of the graphics on the side of the door. The one that say Endless and HKS. Just left that to leave it, give it a little more so it won't just be so plain. Could have stripped the top to the black top and made it all solid green. I think it came out pretty nice. Not so much for the Skyline. The Skyline, I got the wheels on, but they turned out to be a little bit bigger than I expected. So they're not fitting properly, and it's not rolling right now. I kind of like touching the wheel wells, so the tire is kind of big, but I can cut the inside threads of the stem of the wheel and tuck them all the way in. Maybe then I can get them to roll, but I don't know. On camera, it don't look too bad. I expected a totally different look from what it looks like kind of now. But some of these wheel swaps take a little bit more convincing and adjusting. Just like the NXX, I had to add some straws because they went too far in. When I say added some straws, all I essentially did was took a regular drinking straw and I snipped a very little piece off the end, and I got it tucked in between the wheel and the rod where the brake caliper is, and that keeps the wheel from sliding back and forth, keeps the rod stiff, and I really like the NXX. It looks sexy, especially when it's the only one I have with the wing on it. So yeah, there you have today's custom, guys. On my next video, I'll probably show you guys a little bit more of this one. See if we can get it to roll and do a little bit more adjusting. I got a little space to cut the this part of the wheel, this little part right here. I could take my cutting blade on my rotary tool and just trim that down, and that essentially will push the wheel in a little further. I'm kind of tired right now, so I'm not gonna do it on this video, guys, but My next video, guys, I'm going to try to do at least a few wheel swaps this week and keep you guys updated with the giveaway. But if you enjoy the content, please do me a favor, hit that like button. Watch me for the first time, hit that subscribe button. If you enjoy the content, if you want to enter the giveaway. And until next time, guys, peace and love. It's your boy KG. I'm out. Peace.